The avocado. Such a funny little fruit. With a leathery outer shell and soft fleshy goodness inside, it can be used in many ways. Put it in a salad, put it on toast. Today we're talking about the famous dip that put avocados on the map, guacamole. Now what you're looking for when picking an avocado is how much give it has. You want it to have a little give when you squeeze it, but not super squishy or it's too ripe. A good way to know too is if this little stem comes off pretty easily, but don't do that at the grocery store. Okay, you're going to get about 6 avocados, and we need to get these things open. Alright, so let's put these aside. Alright, take off that little stem. Oh, there you go. Never mind. Sometimes that happens. Okay, so take your knife, and you're going to cut just like this, all the way around. And just like so. And should just pop right open. Let's see. Here we go. So we need to get this seed out, obviously. So a good way to do it is take this knife and not on your finger. Okay, and slam down like this. All right. Well, let's try this again. And okay, one more time. There we go. Awesome. Okay, so get rid of that. Now, get you a bowl, and you're just going to scoop that meaty green stuff out of there. Okay, let's do this one too. All right. And you're just going to keep going with each one of these. Same thing, go all the way around. Don't cut your hand off. All right, let's get the seed out. Oh, look at there, first time. Right. Let me, hold on, let me get it something. Let's try this spoon maybe. Okay, now we have all of our avocado in a bowl. So what I do, I just buy the pre-made Pico de Gallo at the grocery store. It's got the tomatoes, onions, cilantro, and jalapeno already pre-made. Just a quick and easy way to get this step done quickly. So just scoop enough in there. This is to your own liking, of course. I put, if I was going to guess, maybe about a half cup. Okay, so our next ingredient is some black pepper, and you're going to put about a tablespoon of that. Okay, so our next ingredient is lime juice. You can use fresh squeezed lime or the pre-bottled version like I am. Put about a tablespoon of that in there. Now what lime juice is going to do, in addition to giving it some flavor, is keep the guacamole longer. Okay, now we're going to add some salt. Now salt is one of those things that's really up to you how much you want or how less of it you want. You just really have to kind of throw it in there and taste it and see if it's working for you. That's how I do it. I usually just kind of eyeball it, so it's really up to you. Just the more times you make this, the more you'll know how much salt you'll need. Okay, so now we have all our ingredients. Let's start incorporating. This is pretty much where you just mash it all down, get it as creamy as you can get it. So you're just going to do a lot of stirring, a lot of pressing. Now the riper the avocado is, the easier this is. Alright, let's keep incorporating. You can see it's really coming together. And like I said, depending on the avocado's ripeness, you might have some chunks in there you have to get out of there, so that's what I'm doing. Did I lose you yet? We're almost there. There we go. Nice. All right, there you go. Fresh homemade guacamole. And it's good, trust me.